Welcome to your ABEN channel, a global leader in new technologies. Get ready for what you're about to see.
At CES 2026, AWOL Vision introduced the Aetherion Series, featuring the Aetherion Max and Aetherion Pro. Marketed as the world's sharpest 4K triple laser ultra-short throw (UST) system, the series aims to redefine home cinema by maintaining extreme clarity at massive scales, specifically targeting the limitations previously seen in large-format projection. 1. Breakthrough technology, PixelLock. The series-defining innovation is PixelLock, an integrated system, optical, mechanical, and digital, designed to solve the inherent challenges of UST projection. While traditional UST projectors lose sharpness beyond 120-inch, Aetherion maintains full 4K fidelity up to 200 inches. It compensates for lens tolerances, temperature expansion, and pixel drift, ensuring subpixels are perfectly synchronized to eliminate color fringing and blurring. Both models utilize sapphire glass lenses with rare earth coatings to maximize light transmission and color accuracy. The Aetherion series is built for high-performance environments, from bright living rooms to dedicated dark theaters. AWOL Vision is positioning the Aetherion as a TV killer for gamers, offering industry-leading responsiveness. Achieves 1 ms class input lag at 240 Hz. The first projector series to support Dolby Vision gaming, alongside VRR, variable refresh rate, and ALLM, auto low latency mode. Anti-RBE technology reduces the rainbow effect by 99.99%, providing a cleaner experience for both 2D and 3D content. Smart OS. Both models run Google Android TV 14 with 128 GB of internal storage. Equipped with Wi-Fi 7 and Gigabit Ethernet for high-bandwidth cloud gaming and 4K streaming. Features the ability to act as a center-channel speaker when integrated with the AWOL Vision Thunderbeat system.
Thanks for watching the video to the end. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest tech news.